Hi, hello, good morning, my dear students and viewers. This is your Anil, and I would like to welcome you all for my new YouTube channel, Smart Pencil 2020. If you not yet subscribe my channel, kindly subscribe my channel by clicking subscribe button below my videos, and don't forget to click on bell icon. As soon as I upload new videos, you will be getting a notification. Then you can view my videos. Dear students, once again, I welcome you all for my new YouTube channel, Smart Pencil 2020. Hello, good morning, students and my dear viewers. In today's session, I am going to tell you about the profiles of some successful entrepreneurs. Dr. Pratap Reddy, he developed India's first hospital group, the Apollo Hospitals. He revolutionized India's whole healthcare sector, and today it has over 750 corporate hospitals on modern lines throughout the country. The idea came to Dr. Reddy when a patient who could not make it to go to the Texas in America for the open heart surgery. Dr. Reddy created a medical infrastructure in India which made medical care more affordable and accessible for everyone. Sir Naresh Goyal. He is the founder and chairman of Jet Airways. It is India's largest domestic airlines under private sector. After his graduation, he worked in a travel business. By 1974, Goyal started to look after sales and marketing of foreign airlines in India. In 1917, Goyal took advantages of the open sky policy of Indian government and set up Jet Airways for operation of scheduled air services for domestic flights in India. Mr. Narayan Murthy is one of the founders of Infosys Technology Limited. In 1999, Infosys became the first Indian company to be listed on NASDAQ, that is National Association of Securities Dealers Automated Quotations. In 2017, the company had employed over 2 lakh people and had a turnover of $10 billion. Murthy has always believed that honesty, transparency, and moral integrity are the key factors for the success. Mr. Varghese Kurian is the renowned Indian social entrepreneur and is best known as the father of White Revolution. For his millions of liters of milk flow, Kurian was the leading personality in agriculture development program. Amul milk and milk product is the achievement of Kurian. He established a small-scale Anand Milk Dairy in Kaira district in Gujarat state, and now it is the largest dairy development enterprises in India. Mr. Dhirubhai Ambani, he was the most enterprising Indian entrepreneur. His life journey is reminiscent to the rags to rich story. He is remembered as the one who rewrote India's corporate history and built a truly global corporate group. Dhirubhai Ambani alias Dhirulal Hirachand Ambani's father was a school teacher. Dhirubhai Ambani started his entrepreneurial career by selling bhajan books to pilgrims in Mount Girnar during the weekends. After doing his matriculation at the age of 16, Dhirubhai moved to Aden in Africa. He worked there as a gas station attendant and as a clerk in an oil company. He returned to India in 1958 with 50,000 rupees and he set up a textile trading company. His business had a diversified into core specialization into petrochemicals with additional interest in telecommunications, information technology, energy, power, retail textiles, infrastructure services, capital markets, and logistics. The Reliance company, which is started by him, is one of the important entrepreneurship in the world. Mr. Azim Premji is the chairman of Wipro Technologies, which is one of the largest software companies in India. When he was a student, Premji was summoned home due to the death of his father. During the annual general body meeting, one of the shareholders advised Premji to sell his shares. This made Premji more determined to make his company a successful enterprise. So today, Wipro Technologies is the largest independent research and development providers. Ekta Kapoor, she is known as the Queen of Indian television sector. She is the creative director of Balaji Telefilms and was awarded for the Best Entrepreneur of the Year of 2001 by Ernest Young. At 19, she ventured into TV production. Kiran Mazumdar Shah, she is the chairman and managing director of Bicon Limited, the largest biotechnology company in India. She started Bicon in 1978 in a rented garage, faced with variety of problems and challenges because biotechnology was a new field and a woman entrepreneur promoted such an enterprise was very rare. She crossed all the barriers and made Bicon a successful. Dear students and viewers, once again I will thank you for watching my videos. Take care, goodbye, never stop learning and never stop dreaming. Bye.